What is this? Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to unbox together the Makeup Revolution Advent Calendar, and it is this one here. The price of it is €34.99 and we get 25 products. It opens like this. It is like a book, and this is how the products are inside. Some of you wanted me to review this advent calendar and I was able to find it online. As always, at the end of the video I will have the final cost of all the products and we're going to see if it is more than what I have paid. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite product by Makeup Revolution, and also share this video with a friend that likes advent calendars. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. So let's start unboxing. How can we open this? They are difficult to open. Number one, this is the amazing lipstick and the color is Swish. This is a brownish color. Let's see how it looks. Okay, that's a nice color. It is a corally brown shade. That's nice for now. I think this is a very nice color. And let me know in the comments if you would like to see a full face makeup tutorial with these products. I have done the same with the Essence Advent Calendar and I'm going also to do the same with the Catrice Advent Calendar. Number two is a brush. I have no idea for what is this brush because it is so strange. It is flat and also fluffy. Is this for eyes? Is this for highlighter? Number three, and this is a baked highlighter in the color Golden Lights. Let's see how it looks. It has a nice intensity, but it is a little bit dry. It's not very creamy and it looks powdery. It has a golden sheen and it is like a duochrome shade. Number four is the Ultra Shine Balm. It doesn't have a color. I don't know why I swatch it. What is this? This is another amazing lipstick and this one is in the color Affection. Oh, I thought it would be like the packaging. That's a very nice color. It is very everyday pink. I like it. Let me know if you also like Affection. Number six is a brush, a travel powder brush. Number seven, this is a pressed highlighter in the color Golden Opportunity. This one is very creamy. Oh, it blends so nice. It feels very luxurious and it has a very nice rich color. This one will look fantastic for darker skin tones. This is not my color. I will try to use it as an eyeshadow. Ooh, what is this? Number eight, this is a clear lip gloss in Clarity. So this has a thicker consistency. I will have to use it on my lips to see how it works. Number nine, and this is an amazing lipstick in color Powerful. And let's see how it looks. Oh, it is like a very royal red shade. So this one is very vibrant and rich in color. It has a sheen too. It's not completely matte. Number 10, and this is the baked bronzer. I thought it smelled like coconut, but no. That's not very creamy and also not very visible on my skin. This one is not very intense. I don't think I will use it even as an eyeshadow. Yum, yum, yum. 11 is on the other side. Number 11, and this is another amazing lipstick in the color Crush. This is a very beautiful dusty pink color. Professional swatches. 12 is an eye primer. I don't usually use an eye primer on my eyes. I use a concealer, but I would like to see if I can make my eyeshadows pop. It is not very sticky. It is creamy. This is number 13. It is a small little eyeshadow palette. It doesn't have a name and it contains 7 matte eyeshadows. It looks like this. The texture of the matte eyeshadows is very similar to the other eyeshadows that I have tried from Makeup Revolution. It is creamy but also powdery. I have applied all the eyeshadows on the eye primer and I think that it actually works, guys, and it makes the eyeshadows more opaque. 14. And this is a strobe balm in the color Flip. And as I can see, it is a duochrome and we have a light sheen of pink. It has a very weird consistency. It is creamy, but also it feels like silicone. Ooh, 15 is a bigger circle. This is number 15 and it is a Makeup Revolution mirror. It's very clear. I can see everything. I would like to have also a lid so I can close it and not break it. Number 16 is a baked highlighter in the color Bronze Lights. This is also creamy, but it feels powdery. This is a very beautiful color, but it's not for my skin tone. Most likely I will use it as an eyeshadow. Number 17 is another lip gloss in the shade Soul. The consistency is thick like the clear lip gloss and it will look fantastic on top of Affection, the other lipstick that we got. I like how glossy it is. We have another tiny brush. This one here I am guessing is for eyeshadows. These brushes are so small to hold them and this one is also very thin. 19, and this is a pressed highlighter in the color Bloom. Ooh, that's creamy, but also something that I would never use on me, but it looks very beautiful for eyeshadow. Or if you have a very beautiful highlighter that you like, you can also use it as an eyeshadow. It has a very nice reflection, like it. This is an angled brush and it is even smaller. These are nice for traveling, but they are so small. They are not so convenient to hold. This is a strobe balm and it is in the color Twist. This looks like something that I can use on me. It has a silvery finish, but I think it's not very highlighting. Nailed it! Number 22 is a liquid highlighter and this is in the color Unicorn Elixir. We get a doe foot applicator. This one feels very oily. You can apply some on your skin and then blend it. It gives this very light sheen of purple to your skin. 23 is the amazing lipstick in the color Embrace. I like the color of the packaging for this one. So pretty. That's a very nice peachy color. I like this shade. Let me know if you would like me to do a lip swatches video for the lipsticks of the advent calendar and also a wear test. I like this color very, very much. 24. Number 24 is the amazing lipstick in the color Simmer. Yeah, this is a dark red wine color. We got a lot of different shades. I like that. They are not very similar to each other. 25. Oh my god, that was loud. 25 is a reloaded palette in the color Authority. We have a nice variety of colors in this eyeshadow palette. You can do everyday looks, a little bit darker with this raspberry color, or the blue color will be fantastic for a blue smoky eye. We have some very promising shimmer eyeshadows in this palette, and let me know if you want to see a makeup look with this palette. It's been an hour. I have been trying to find the prices for all the products. These are the products that we get in the advent calendar, and I was not able to find the prices for a lot of the products. I couldn't find them on the Revolution Beauty website or on Google in general. The approximate value of the products that I have found a price is 30 euros, but again, I didn't find for a lot of products. For example, the amazing lipsticks, I couldn't find them in these shades online, and you can find them on other shades. Maybe some of the products are designed for the advent calendar, but I couldn't find any information online or on the advent calendar or on the Revolution Beauty website, so I'm not sure about that. The face products are in a mini size. It's not the original size. On the Cosmetic for Less website, they say that the approximate value of the advent calendar is 57 euros. I don't feel that the value of these products is 35 euros. A lot of highlighters, pressed, baked, strobe balms, holographic, and if you are not into highlighters, maybe you will not like this advent calendar, or you can get it and give the products that you don't like to your friends as presents, or in general you can take advent calendars and make presents for your friends. I would prefer if I got something different, for example something for the eyes, glitter. They have glitter bombs. Why we didn't get a glitter bomb in silver? Why not? Or maybe an eye pencil. I like that we got the eyeshadow palette, but the eyeshadow palette is €4.99. It's not something very expensive. This is a reloaded palette. I couldn't find this specific one online, and the price of the reloaded palettes is €4.99. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below what is your favorite product of this advent calendar, and also if you want to buy it or not. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!